Hey guys, welcome back with another brand new and exciting strategy. In this video, I'm going to share with you a copy and paste income system actually that you can make money and affiliate to marketing for beginners. So this tutorial can help you to make money with clickbank free traffic and promoting affiliate links for absolutely free. So I'm going to share with you a 1.4 million free traffic source that you can simply have it for absolutely free. And I'm also going to share with you the free contents that you can simply access, and that will require you just 5 minutes work from you to just copy and paste the whole system, and then you can make money for absolutely free. So I just want you to watch the video to the very end to not miss any single part of the strategy, because if you miss, then you will be confused and you will not fully understand that how exactly this method and this strategy is working. And another coolest part of this video is that it's 100% free method and free tutorial, and you don't need to invest any single penny into that right here. So it is absolutely 100% a copy and paste method that you can simply do that. At the end of this video, you can simply see the result from that right here. So the only requirement that I want from you is to watch the video to the very end, hit the like button as an appreciation for this video. And also, if you haven't subscribed to the channel for these types of contents that you can make money for absolutely free, just hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification into all. Whenever you upload this kind of brilliant videos, you will be the first person to notified, and you will get access into that, and you will get benefit from that right here for absolutely free. And if you want to make more money online, then check out the first link in the description of this video, and you will see my most recommended full training right there and that link, and you can definitely go with that and start making a huge amount of money directly from your home with internet connection, PC, laptop, smartphone, and internet connection. So you need to have one of those things, then you will access the full training right there and you can start making money from that. So let's begin the strategy that how it is working. The first step is that you need to sign up with clickbank account right here, or even you can sign up with digistore 24. Then you can simply log into your account, whether you're using digistore 24 or you're using the clickbank account right here. You can simply log into that. Once you log into your account, then you can simply go to the search bar right here by just clicking the search icon right here, because that will show you all the products available right here, and make sure that you sort it by the gravity right here. So once you had the gravity, then top products will come on the top right here, and you can simply use all the product available right here on this page. So definitely we will promote product something like which is from a long time on the clickbank and also on digistore 24, and it really converts really fast, which works the best. So we can use that product, which is the custom keto diet, because everybody in the world need these types of contents and these types of product. So that's why it is trending, and since couple of 3 4 months years, it's available on the clickbank, and many people are promoting and many people are having a great conversion from that. So we can also promote. So the first step is that we need to just open them appeal a sales page and also affiliate tools area right here, that what they have. So the first page is this, the custom keto diet, which is a video page actually, that we can simply have it for people whenever they convert into that. And we also have the affiliate tools area right here, that people can simply add their contents right here and they can access for things right here. I can simply add my clickbank ID right here, and I can also add, for example, a random email. I don't want to add my own email, so I can add simply a random email. I can simply add, and I can simply click on the access that. So that will be submitted. As you can simply see here, that it is also an other language also without English. So it will be also available for French and Spanish people right here. If you are promoting to Spanish and French people, so that can, I also created videos on that how to do that. So we can do that very easily, but we will, in today's video we will simply use the free method with English one right here, that they have provided us, for example, a lot of things right here. Okay, so they simply provide us the gender, age, countries, which country it is converting, for example, and which text cells we can use, which landing page we can use, for example, free sales page we can use, for example banners we can use. So all these things are available right here, but we don't need to use these images, videos, email swaps and other things right here. So these are all the videos available that we can simply use for absolutely free. There are 100 plus videos which is available for us right here, but we don't want to use this right here. So once we have the product like this one right here, we can simply just click on the promote button right here. Once we click on the promote button, we can simply just copy the affiliate link. For example, we can use a tracking ID, something like free traffic. Let me just add, because then I can understand from where the sales come. Traffic. Okay, free traffic. I can simply click on generate hop link. Once I click on that, so it will take me a little bit time. So as you can see here, they just give me a couple of seconds link. So I can simply copy this link, close this, go to Bitly, and simply just click on the create button and use like that, and then click on create. So it will basically shorten our link right here. So we can use simply this link on that platform, or even we can use, for example, Bitly, sorry, Tiny URL. Or we can use a Linktree landing page for that, so it can also convert very easily, and that can also help us more right here. So once we are done with that, the next step for us will be that we can simply go to design article, and we just need to use, for example, we can simply use keto diet. So once you use the keto diet keyword, because we are promoting the custom keto diet products right here, okay, so we can simply use keto diet. Okay, simply search on that. Oops. Okay, let me just use, for example, keto meal plan. Okay, we can simply use that keyword. You can find all the free things right here on free article on design article right here. So let me just refresh, because they use the unexpected amount of traffic coming from your region. So of course we search a couple of times on this, and we are using for our benefit, so that's why they can give sometime a safety protection right here. So as you can see here, this is uh, the articles right here that they have found us. For example, no, it's not working exactly. Let me just close this and open new, for example. Okay, I don't know why it is happening, because we can use, for example, keto meal plan. Okay, and we can simply click on the search. As you can see here, it's find out a lot of articles right here. We can simply have it for absolutely free related to keto diets right here. So we can simply use with the first one or the second one, it doesn't matter. So we will have the free article right here available. We can simply copy and paste this article and use for our benefit. So once you find out this article also, the next step will be that we can simply move to the free topic, which will be dmilked.com. You can simply go to the dmilk.com. Basically, this website is working for images, stories, articles, people sharing from all over the world. As you can see here, most of the traffic is coming from the United States, United Kingdom, Germany, and Canada. Only 4% coming from the India right here. And if you can simply see here that 1.4 million free traffic sources coming each single month to this website, 1.4 million. So you can have it, this all 1.4 million free traffic for absolutely free. And most of the time it's going to up to 2 million pre-traffic source, and now it is going off again right here. So we just need to get benefit from this right here. The first thing is that you just need to click on the register button right here. So once you click on the register, you will be sign up through Facebook, Twitter, Google, or even you can add your email right here. So then once you sign up, then you can simply log into your account. Basically, it will look the interface like this one right here. As you can simply see here that a lot of people are promoting their contents, and they are showing their contents right here for absolutely free. So we can also use So what we need to do, we can simply click on the create post right here. So once we click on the create post right here, the next step will be that it will just move me to another section right here that we can simply select attachment, then describe in our branch, and then click on the submit. So here they require an image for us to upload the first. We can simply just go to the the Google and just type keto meal plan, and we will have the different images available right here for us. So we can just open any image we want. For example, I like this image right here, so I can simply just download this image. Let me just download this image right here. Okay, I just downloaded the image right here, so I can simply go back right here and I can simply click on the browse button right here and I can simply add the image right here. So once I added the image right here, oops, the image is not working with that have to be this size right here, so I can simply download any other one. Okay, let me just download this 7-day keto meal plan. Save image as. So you just need to use the same way and the same strategy what I'm using, so then you can see a great result from that right here. As you can see here, it's uploaded. Then we can simply click on the next button. Once we click on the next button, then we will have this page right here, the title, description. So for the purpose of title, we just need to go to design article. We simply just copy the whole title from here, just paste it right here, and then go back and then copy the complete article from here. We can simply just copy this and we simply paste it right here. So make sure that you just make it a little bit bigger. See, as you can simply see here, it is all written very accurately. Then we can simply just give a call to action button. So make sure that you just delete this. Okay, and we can use, instead of that, we can use our own link right here. So the link that we have shortened with bit.ly or bit.ly, so we can simply copy that and paste it over there. Or if you are using the link tree, so then you can simply use copy link from the link tree and then come back right here and just paste it right here. So once you paste it right here, as you can simply see here, it is already pasted. Okay, if there is some mistake, you can make it correct. Okay, so then we can simply use the tags right here. Okay, use the tags, for example, lose weight, how to lose weight, keto diets, meal plan, something like that you can use. Okay, and you can use, for example, belly fat. Okay, so these are the different keywords that it can rank for us, our article. And then you can use a simply category. For the category, you can just need to use, let me just use some categories right here. Okay, so because most of the time that should be something like food, because it is related to food. And then we can sample hide, for example, let me just look for another one. Interest, interior design, makeup. Okay, we can use also other one. And once you are done with that, as you can simply see here, the title, description, the link, the keyword, the category, and the image we have added. And we can just simply just click on this star that should be featured, and that will be available on the front page, this image for our article. So once you are done with that, then we simply click on the next. So our image or our article will look something like this, that here will be the title, here will be the description or the whole article. This will be the link that people can simply click on that, and this will be the image that it is shown. Then we can simply click on the finish button right here. So once we click on the finish button, so we can simply see here this page will be available as, and that will just have a couple of seconds, and that will show you thank you. So thank you for your submission. Our editor will review it shortly, so they can simply review a little bit of your time there, and then they can release on this page right here, so everybody will visit and everybody will see. People who are interested, they can simply click on your link and they can purchase. You get the commission. It is as simple as this. So if you want to make more money online than this and taking more money actually from a two followed in affiliate marketing or CPM marketing, check out the first link in the description for full training, and you will learn each step by step over there right here. So hope you like the method and you are interested with that. If you like it, please don't forget to hit the like button for this video as an appreciation. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that. So till next brand video, see you awesome with enjoyable moment.